Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, how are you? Shiba Inu holders' fortune prediction for next week as anticipated in the previous article. Shiba Inu snapped the $0.01217 mark after forming a bullish rectangle bottom setup. Shiba Inu family, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth Shiba, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. For brevity, SHIB prices are multiplied by 1000 from here on. While sellers showed near-term resistance at the $0.017 mark, buyers would strive for continued growth amidst the recent bullish engulfing candlestick. On the flip side, the sellers could aim to inflict a pullback toward the 20 EMA, red, before a likely rebound. At press time, SHIB traded at $0.01477, down by 6.8% in the last 24 hours. For over 2 months, SHIB buyers faced recovery barriers in the $0.01217 region. As a result, this choppy movement led to a sideways track in the daily chart. Meanwhile, the bulls kept building up on their underlying pressure reflected in the form of higher lows over the last few weeks. Consequently, SHIB formed an ascending triangle on the daily chart and reflected a visible bullish edge. Further, the north-looking 20 EMA, red, and the 50, cyan, assumed immediate support post their recent bullish crossover. The eventual breakout candlestick on the 14th of August entailed a massive uptick in buying volumes. Owing to the bullish engulfing candlestick, an immediate recovery above the $0.0152 mark can make way for an extended recovery. In this case, SHIB could witness a recovery toward the $0.017 minus 2 cents range. An inability to find a close above this mark would only provoke a sluggish phase near the EMAs. After swiftly piercing through the 70 mark, the overbought relative strength index, RSI, saw a slight pullback over the last few days. The buyers must strive to maintain a spot above the 59 level support to heighten the chances of continued recovery. Also, the accumulation distribution indicators' lower troughs were rather flat while bullishly diverging with the price. A sustained close below its immediate support could delay the near-term recovery prospects. Conclusion: given the bullish engulfing breakout candlestick on high volumes alongside the north-looking 20/50ths EMA, buyers would strive to maintain their edge. Any reversals toward the 20 EMA could hint at a plausible dull phase. The targets would remain the same as discussed. But the alt shares a 59% 30-day correlation with Bitcoin. Hence, keeping an eye on Bitcoin's movement with the overall market sentiment could be essential to identify any bullish invalidations. Meme coin season upcoming with Dogecoin rally? Here's why. In the recent times, price rise of Doge, SHIB gave hopes of a meme coin rally amid a bearish environment. While SHIB took a sudden spike in last few days, Doge rose steadily over a week's time. As the market continues to experience turbulent times, a meme coin season could prove to be the much-needed push. In line with this, even Bitcoin saw a short rally over the last 1 month. However, chances are that the ongoing Bitcoin rally is just a brief aberration. Experts believe the next few months could see Bitcoin take a significant fall in price. In this context, certain influencers believe a meme coin rally could pan out well for crypto investors. The community is also anticipating the Ethereum merge scheduled for September 15th. Many believe the network upgrade could be a catalyst for the current bear market cycle. Meme coin rally very soon? Dogecoin price took a jump recently thanks to the launch of Dogechain. The new blockchain platform comes across as a layer 2 for Dogecoin. It gives Doge users access to DeFi, opening up potential for use cases. With the new platform receiving great interest from users, there was a spike in the token price. Since its launch last week, the platform saw huge wallet addresses coming. There were also huge total transactions in a short time. Dogecoin is about to spark a crazy meme coin season like nothing we have ever seen before. SHIB's sudden spike. Meanwhile, Shiba Inu saw a sudden rise in price in the space of hours. Showing a 37% increase in market cap, the valuation took a jump from $6.97 billion on August 14 to $9.55 billion next day. This makes it even more speculative about a possible meme coin rally in near future. As of writing, SHIB is trading at $14.23, down 7.62% in the last 24 hours, according to CoinMarketCap. Whereas Dogecoin price stands at $0.07805, down 5.86% in the last 24 hours. Shiba Inu is currently down more than 85% from its peak late last year. Poor investor sentiment tied to a deteriorating macro picture are at play for this token. That said, Shiba Inu has seen some strong support of late. This past week has seen this token perform relatively well, as investors increasingly take a risk-on approach. So, can Shiba Inu make another parabolic move? Let's discuss. Recent entry into the metaverse. Shiba Inu's recent entry into the metaverse is certainly a factor that is playing in its favor. Many analysts consider the metaverse as one of the next big things in the crypto space. Some even anticipate it will touch $8 trillion of market value by the end of this decade. The Shiberse, yet another blockchain-based metaverse, this time powered by SHIB, could be the catalyst that speculators and investors need to jump aboard this project. It's unclear what exactly will be featured in this virtual world. However, given the rise of gaming, NFTs, and virtual land, this is a space to keep an eye on for SU. What's been announced thus far is a metaverse hosted on shib.io, which will feature 100,595 land plots up for purchase. All these will be present on the metaverse map, with streets featuring names related to Shiba Inu. Additionally, it's expected that land sales will contribute to the burning of SHIB tokens. For those bullish on the tokenomics of this project, this metaverse pivot is one to consider. More reasons for excitement. Aside from the Shiberse, developers behind Shiba Inu have announced their own Layer 2 blockchain. The so-called Shibarium is the upcoming Layer 2 blockchain of this Shiba Inu and provides a particular reason for investor excitement. The community recently voted that only 1 BON per person will be adjusted as the minting rate of BON. This was done to ensure Shibium's long-term sustainability. Additionally, as more adoption for payments with Shiba Inu materializes, there are some reasons why bulls are getting their hopes up for another parabolic move. Bottom line, as one of the most popular meme tokens, Shiba Inu certainly provides leverage to investor sentiment in the crypto space. Good or bad, this token will follow the whims of the crowd, surging or plunging to a greater degree than the overall market. This high beta nature makes Shiba Inu one of the most volatile digital assets out there, reserved for only the most aggressive investors. While it's easy to see the bull case with this token, it's also important to remember that with volatility comes risk. Thus, this isn't a project to bet the farm on, but to use some throwaway money. However, that's a different story. Shiba Inu burn rate suddenly jumps 322%. SHIB price approaches key support. Per the Shibern website, the burn rate of Shiba Inu has suddenly increased by 322%. The Shiba Inu burn rate was down earlier, as reported by You Today. This shows that burning activities are resuming across the board, although the amount of SHIB burned remains lower than usual. The SHIB burn Twitter handle reports a small amount of 64 million SHIB tokens burned in 10 transactions. Aside from this, a few million SHIB were sent to dead wallets in different transactions in recent hours. In the last hour, 4,854,572 SHIB tokens were burned in a single transaction. Shiba Inu nears key support. Shiba Inu may be forming a tight bull pennant for a possible breakout followed by parabolic upside moves. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.